It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
Ooh, this looks like a nice porch to sit on.
A bear sat on my porch today. Story by Jane Yolen, art by Rilla Alexander. A bear sat on my porch today and wanted to stay. A bear sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. Hello. What should I do? Boo shoo! Growl. No, I won't go. Okay, you can stay. Just don't scare my mummy. A squirrel sat on my porch today, his fur all gray, shaggy and gray. What should I do? Boo shoo! A nut and a seed is what I need. Okay, you can stay. Only get away from the feeders. A squirrel sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. A skunk sat on my porch today and started to spray. Pew, pew, boo, shoo. Just some perfume to clear the room. Okay, you can stay, though you definitely can't come into the house. A skunk sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. A possum sat on my porch today and started to play. A opossum sat on my porch today. Boo shoo! What should I do? Play dad, or sing instead. Okay, you can stay. Just don't squeak too loudly. She brought her family 8 in all, a passel of possums. Oh, what a sprawl! A raccoon sat on my porch today and wanted to play. What should I do? Boo shoo! Glad you ask. Grab a mask. Okay, you can stay. Just don't wake the babies. Look at all the opossums that are sleeping. That raccoon sat on my porch today. He just wouldn't go away. A moose sat on my porch today. The porch began to shift and sway. What should I do? Boo shoo!
It may seem absurd, but you're my new herd.
Okay, you can stay, but 1 meal a day is all you get. A moose sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. A jay sat on my porch today, a bright blue jay, a loudmouth jay. Boo shoo, what should I do? Squawk! No rough talk. A jay sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. Wait, look out! Crash! Smash! Ah! Oh, help! Okay. Bear grabbed a broom, squirrel a pail, skunk carted over hammer and nail. Opossum brought wood from barn and shed, raccoon splashed paint green and red. Moose gave the floorboards a very good shine, and then it was time for us to dine. So I made lunch for my hard-working bunch, except, of course, that loudmouth jay, 'cause he'd already flown far away. Goodbye, Mr. J. We're awfully sorry you didn't stay. Bye. Well, I'm not sorry to see him go. He left an awful mess, you know. Bye. Well, they're blaming the whole mess on the J. Yum. Bye. This kiddo had an exciting day filled with friendship, acceptance, and sharing. Plus, this herd worked together to repair the porch, which is both wonderful and kind. I'm Carmabela Sunshine, and I hope you enjoyed this book as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a family you think will enjoy it too. Oh, bye-bye.